Welcome to the WP6C Series Board-to-Board Connector Training Module. Application examples for the WP6C Series Board-to-Board Connector includes mobile smartphones, LCD displays, laptops, touch panels, and other various handheld devices. The WP6C Series is a low-profile board-to-board connector with 0.4 mm pitch spacing. Shell and foreground contacts are effective for electrical grounding and EMC. The WP6C series is ideal for high-density mounting in slim communication devices, such as smartphones and tablets. The WP6C series connector features a low-profile and space-saving design. Its contact structure ensures high wear resistance and contact reliability. Secure hold-downs prevent insulator breakage and peeling from the FPC, and the connector's two-point contact design resists twisting stress. The shield and foreground contacts enable strong electrical grounding and EMC. The foot pattern is also compatible with the WP6 series. When ordering and identifying the product number, there are 8 sections to be aware of when you are trying to recognize your intended part. Beginning with the series and shape of the connector, the contact shape, the number of contacts, connection type, plating finish, modification code, and its reel part number. Please note that an embossed tape reel contains 6,000 pieces of standard product. This information will assist you in searching for your correct part number. Much like the plug, the receptacle has the same type of ordering information. This material will assist you in searching for your correct part number. The WP6C connector series consists of the 24 and 30 position type. The operating temperature range is -40 to +85 degrees Celsius, and its dielectric withstanding voltage is AC 250 volts RMS for 1 minute. The mating durability is 30 cycles. The basic dimensions for the 24 and 30 position plug versions include a 0.4 mm pitch, a stacking height of approximately 0.64 mm, and a width of approximately 1.38 mm. The basic dimensions of the 24 and 30 position receptacle versions include a 0.4 mm pitch, a stacking height of approximately 0.8 mm, and a width of approximately 3.08 mm. The materials and finishes of the WP6C series are shown here. In summary, the WP6C series is a 0.4 mm pitch board-to-board connector, with high wear resistance and contact reliability. It has secure hold-downs and a two-point contact design which resists twisting stress. The WP6C connector is lead-free, and its foot pattern is also compatible with the WP6 series. JAE, technology to inspire innovation.